So in today's video, we will be discussing on 4 micro SaaS ideas that you can start with. So micro SaaS are actually those SaaS products where you don't really focus on a lot of features. Only 1-2 features are sufficient and you can directly start with it. Couple of things in place. Please do not go and start directly with the SaaS application. Please go and validate and evaluate first the ideas. No validation has been done through these ideas that I'm going to present. It's just that it came in my mind and I shared it with you. So now number one idea which I have in my mind is about graphs and bar charts for Canva. This can be a plugin or you can make it from scratch depending upon you. But you know how Canva is, like it's really flexible how you can make design, and I know there are bar charts and all present in it. But imagine if something more useful and more dynamics, like you can upload your CSV or your Excel file, big data set, and it can actually analyze and show and give you the same flexibility of how Canva provides you to edit it. Now this actually came in my mind because down the time I was actually preparing some charts on Canva, and it was really difficult in order to go and change everything inside it. So with a plugin or some kind of software like this would be really helpful. Number 2 is about the AI-based SaaS, AI-based summary for Chrome. Now, if you have a check on my Medium, there is something called as listen on top, and I'm actually trying to say something like that only. On LinkedIn, on Facebook, actually this happens mainly on LinkedIn. When I see a lot of posts, they are so big that I really don't want to read them. Okay, now let's suppose if there's something like this listen kind of a button where an AI actually summarizes what is happening, it would be very helpful for people to actually understand and install this plugin on their various. It can be LinkedIn, it can be newsletters, blogs, anywhere you want to install it. Now number 3 is an AI-based automated SEO bot. Now imagine a bot which automatically change the SEO content on your website without your manual intervention. So what this bot do is that it analyzes the top trending keyword time to time, and based upon those keyword it goes to your website and it changes it. Now this can be a plugin inside the Webflow or WordPress where you have actually the entire setup to build a website. You just add one more plugin like an automation of SEO based thing, and this will actually help you in order to keep the track, have a good SEO rank, and get traffic on your website. Now number 4 is about the quotation builder. Quotation builder is very simple, just like Canva. I have seen there are quotation invoices which you can make on Canva. Again, like if we have some kind of functionality where we can dynamically change the columns or the rows, it would be very helpful for people. Specifically for me, when I was using it, I know guys, like there are softwares which are available, but again, if you need to use it, it's either you have to have some knowledge, it's not very user friendly like Canva, or you need to buy a subscription. So that is the reason why I'm trying to present all these things. The link would be in the description for the entire blog, so feel free to check it out. Okay, and we will be coming for like this more videos in the future. Stay tuned for it.